Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. Thank you for coming. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys some new Nail Addict polishes that I've received. I have picked 7 colors. I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches that I did, and then I will show you the names as well. I've swatched all 7 colors using the Nail Addict No Wipe Top Coat and the Nail Addict Matte Top Coat. And I want to show you how beautiful their matte and their glossy top coats are. Look at that. Look how nice that mattes. And I know I've said it before. They have really great polishes. Very creamy. 2 coat coverage. Actually, some of these were 1 coat coverage, but I went ahead and did a 2 coats because, you know, it always looks better with 2 coats. But this is 1 coat of matte top coat and this is 1 coat of glossy, and I have to say they are both really, really nice. So the color that I'm holding in my hand right here is called Tanning Session. So it's a beautiful like pinkish orange. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful like cherry red. Now this one did take 2 coats because as you can see on the swatch stick, that's 1 coat there. This one here is called Beyond Gorgeous. And I like the bottles because they have the swatch right here on the top, kind of like Madam Glam. I do believe they're kind of like a sister company to Madam Glam. The next one here is like a deep plum. I freaking love that. This is a gorgeous color for winter. This one here is called Midnight. This one, of course, I had to get it for Halloween. It's a beautiful, bright, bright orange. And this one here is called Juicy Mango. The next one up is a beautiful green, and it is called Underground Queen. This one, look at it. It's got like a beautiful shimmer. This one here is called Blood Pressure. I had to get that one. I like the name. Blood Pressure. Very, very beautiful. And then last but not least, I did get a glitter, and this is just a simple glitter. Okay, so this beautiful glitter is called Magnets. I've went ahead and applied my sculpted coffin nails by Enail Couture. Alright, so I have applied these nails with the Enail Couture Happy Gel, and this one is in sparkly clear. Okie dokie, so a couple of tools that you may need is a dotting tool. I have a liner brush here, and I have a sponge full of isopropyl alcohol. That way you can easily clean your brush in between. Go ahead and apply the blooming gel. I am using my Sexy Mix blooming gel, the one that I used in the last video that I did this. Alright, so here we go into the colors. I'm going to start here. See, now that spreads great. I'm going to have to get another Sexy Mix blooming gel because it just works so good. Now try not to touch the nail with your dotting tool. There's no rhyme or reason or rhythm that you need to do when you're playing with your blooming gel. You just simply apply it wherever you want to put it. Wow, look at that, y'all. That's fun. Alright, so what you're going to do is just let that spread out until you're happy with it. Once you're happy with it, you're going to take your finger, press up against it, and pull down. And then you're going to go ahead and do a freeze cure so it doesn't run anywhere. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Take the matte top coat and I'm going to matte these nails. And I'll decide if I want to put on any charms or bling or anything like that. And there we have your blooming gel nails. So do I add bling? I think so. One of McCart rhinestone kits. This is the regular crystal kit. I'm going to put a dot at the top by the cuticle area. I'm going to put a dot at the front, at the free edge. Alright you guys, there we have it. Here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. I know the colors are kind of funky together, but I think it looks pretty cool. It's something different. I like it. Also, I want you guys to let me know if you want to see me do an ombre set with these gel polishes from the Nail Addict. Let me know if you guys would like to see how to ombre with these. I've done it before and the ombre always turns out really cool, and I think it would be a really fun video. So let me know. And again, if you guys are interested in any of these gorgeous colors by the Nail Addict, go check them out. I'll leave a link below. I'll also leave my discount code for you guys if you're interested at all. No pressure to buy anything. I'm just sharing my fun with you guys. That said, I hope you guys have enjoyed these. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave me a big thumbs up if you would. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Bye.